Ever wondered if your Galaxy Watch 6 vibrate properly for calls, alarm, or notification? You can actually test the vibration function directly from your Galaxy S25 Ultra using the built-in device care tool. It's super useful when your watch feels unresponsive or you want to make sure everything's work fine. Here's how to do it. On your phone, head into setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Tap watch diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Now tap vibration to start checking it. As you can see, you will be asked to tap vibrate to start checking on your watch. If you can feel the vibration, tap check button to confirm it. If there's no issue, the result will show as normal. Given to the function, this quick test is a lifesaver when you are troubleshooting notification or unsure if your watch is giving haptic feedback. Try it out and make sure your watch 6 is running at its best. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.